Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got the Surface Duo out and I decided to do the video a little different. Now I'm going to be honest, as I sit here out in this element, I see a little bit of focus hunting, but I see a very nice video shooting a vlog like this. But I think the tones are a little bit off. I know the camera's over here. I'm just looking at the viewfinder here. It focus hunts a little bit, and the tones seem to be a little off in my face. But overall, let me put something in front of the camera really close here. See if it'll focus on it. No, it won't focus on it. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. It does great. Okay, so I think in a situation like this, if I was on a vlog at dusk like this, it's 7:30 in the evening time, and the sun is down, it's going down. I just got the device sitting on top of the car. Actually, I'm just leaning on my car. Because this is where I come to shoot a lot of footage. But the cameras are not the strong suit. So when I was shooting footage of when I had it flipped around, and every time I come over here, I start, something's in the trees or something. When I flip it around and start shooting stuff in the other mode, I'm always afraid I'm going to drop it because it's so slippery. So I got to hurry up and get that case in. And I don't want to use the bumper because it's like a one-time use, So, but overall, I think if I was going to shoot a vlog like this, I think this would be okay. It focused on my ring once I got it in focus. It was pretty quick for the focus. I think it's focus hunting. You tell me. It looks like it's focus hunting a little bit. But folks, this isn't the worst camera. You've seen a lot worse. So, but I think it's the worst camera on a phone, or excuse me, a device that's $1,600. Let's be clear. I think that's what people might have a problem with, because this isn't a very bad camera. It's just really not. But it in fact is a bad camera for such an expensive device. So I wanted to do the video review like this. I took some photos, things like that. I'm going to probably edit this in Power Director. I wanted to do the video out and about like this, just to be sure that we could get some kind of footage outside the house. Because when I shot footage inside the house, it didn't look too good. And I think I posted another video. I might have, but I guess I didn't. But nonetheless, I think that these cameras are definitely great for video conference and Duo. Yes, these cameras are this camera is good enough for Duo. So a couple things I want you to pay attention to is, how does this sound? How does it look? That's point blank. It's your man Jay. Quick video review outside. We're gonna get out of here.